Reduces inflammation and pain. The National Library of Medicine has confirmed that clove water's anti-inflammatory effects come from natural anti-inflammatory compounds found in cloves like eugenol and flavonoids. Once consumed, the nutrients in clove water begin to work their magic by addressing inflammation at a cellular level and interacting with your body's pain response mechanisms. This dynamic effect stems from several distinct components of cloves, each playing a vital role in delivering relief. One of the most influential compounds in clove water is gallic acid, a naturally occurring phenolic acid with exceptional anti-inflammatory properties. GIC acid works by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory enzymes which are responsible for swelling and pain in conditions such as arthritis or muscle soreness. This suppression of inflammation helps reduce pain and swelling, making clove water a soothing option for chronic and acute discomfort. Another remarkable element is olenolic acid, a terpenoid that directly interacts with your body's immune system to reduce inflammatory signals. Olenolic acid not only calms overactive immune responses but also protects tissues from oxidative stress that may exacerbate inflammation. This dual action is particularly beneficial for those experiencing inflammation. Pain as it addresses both the cause and the damage it creates as a natural pain reliever. Cloves contain methyl silicate, the third important compound. This compound functions as a pain relieving agent by blocking the transmission of pain signals to the brain. As methyl silicate enters your bloodstream through clove water, it works to numb localized pain, offering fast and effective relief from discomfort without the need for synthetic. Detoxifies the liver. Painkillers. 9. Detoxifies the liver. Once clove water is consumed, its bioactive elements begin targeting key areas of liver function, enhancing its ability to detoxify and regenerate. Ferulic acid, a strong antioxidant that protects liver cells from oxidative stress, is one of the best compounds enclosed for liver health. Every day the liver is exposed to free radicals generated during the detoxification of harmful substances, and ferulic acid neutralizes these unstable molecules before they may damage the liver's delicate tissues by minimizing oxidative damage. This compound not only enhances the liver's resilience but also aids in its long-term health and performance. Furthermore, spices like cloves contain stigmasterol, a plant sterol that helps the body make bile. Bile plays a central role in detoxification as it helps the liver break down fats and eliminate toxins through the digestive system. Stigmasterol boosts the efficiency of bile secretion, ensuring that waste products are processed and removed more effectively, reducing the liver's workload and enhancing its detoxification capabilities. Additionally, cloves naturally contain a PR protective terpenoids which help liver cells grow back. The liver has a remarkable ability to heal itself, but this process may be slowed by chronic exposure to toxins, alcohol, or unhealthy dietary habits. These terpenoids stimulate the repair of damaged tissues, enabling the liver to recover and function optimally by encouraging cellular regeneration. Clove water ensures that your liver stays strong and capable of handling the body's detoxification demands. Some research from PubMed on animals suggests that clove extract may help liver damage caused by harmful substances. 10. Improves cognitive function. The brain as the control center of the body thrives when nourished with the right compounds, and clove water delivers a blend of nutrients that work synergistically to support its performance, from protecting neural pathways to reducing factors that impair brain function. Clove water engages with your cognitive system at multiple levels. One of the key contributors to this benefit is acetyl-eugenol, a unique compound in cloves that enhances communication between neurons. Neurons rely on electrical signals to transmit information across the brain, and acetyl-eugenol facilitates this process by improving the efficiency of these connections. Better neural communication means sharper thinking, faster decision-making, and improved memory recall, all of which are crucial for maintaining cognitive agility. Another impactful component is renin, a flavonoid, and cloves, known for its neuroprotective properties. Renin combats oxidative stress, a condition where free radicals damage brain cells and contribute to cognitive decline. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, neogenin not only preserves the health of your existing brain cells but also fosters a protective environment that slows down age-related cognitive impairments. Moreover, there is magnesium, an essential mineral present in cloves that plays a direct role in regulating neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are the brain's chemical messengers, and magnesium ensures they are balanced and functioning optimally. When neurotransmitters are stable, you experience improved focus, reduced anxiety, and an overall sense of mental clarity. Magnesium also supports the production of serotonin, which positively impacts mood and cognitive Endurance. Moving on, how to drink clove water the right way for maximum benefits. Clove water is a simple yet powerful remedy packed with health benefits from boosting immunity to enhancing digestion. However, to truly unlock its potential, it's crucial to prepare and consume it the right way. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to maximize the effectiveness of clove water, ensuring you enjoy all its incredible benefits without any hassle. 1. Choose high-quality cloves. Start with fresh whole cloves that are aromatic and rich in essential oils. Fresh cloves contain higher concentrations of active compounds like eugenol, which are key to delivering health benefits. 2. Use the right quantity. Stick to about 4 to 5 whole cloves per cup of water. This amount is sufficient to release the beneficial compounds without overwhelming your system. 3. Prepare through boiling. Boil 1 cup of water, add the cloves, and let them simmer for 5-10 minutes. Simmering ensures the active compounds are infused into the water without losing potency. 4. Try the overnight soaking method for a more potent infusion. Soak the cloves in room temperature water overnight. This method preserves delicate nutrients and releases the oils gradually for a more nutrient-rich drink. 5. Strain. Before drinking, always strain the clove water to remove the cloves before consumption. Drinking it warm enhances absorption and provides immediate soothing effects. 6. Drink it at the right time. Consume clove water on an empty stomach in the morning to allow your body to absorb its nutrients without interference from food digestion. 7. Avoid additives. Keep it pure by avoiding sugar or artificial sweeteners. If needed, add a touch of raw honey for natural sweetness, but use it sparingly to maintain the drink's potency. 8. Stick to moderate consumption. Limit yourself to 1 cup daily, or as advised by your healthcare provider. Excessive intake may lead to unwanted side effects due to the high potency of cloves. 9. Incorporate into your routine. Consistency is key. Regularly drinking clove water helps your body reap its benefits over time, so make it a simple yet effective part of your health routine. 10. Store properly. If needed, if you prepare a larger batch, store the strained clove water in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Warm it slightly before drinking to enjoy its full benefits. Incorporating clove water into your daily routine may yield a wide range of health benefits targeting specific bodily systems for overall wellness, from improving digestion to supporting brain function. This simple yet powerful drink offers distinct advantages that make it a valuable addition to a balanced lifestyle. For best results, consult a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate intake based on your individual health needs. Now that we have discussed the many amazing benefits of clove water, are you interested in knowing more about tips and tricks to shed pounds easily? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more weight loss videos. Shall we watch 16 healthy foods that help you lose the most weight? You may also try our video on 13 weight loss tips to get rid of your bloated belly fat. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about weight loss and nutrition. What other benefits do you know about clove water? Let us know in the comments below. See you in next video.